Right, it is cold, -5 and frosty. I'm going to feed the birds. I'm going to give them a little call and they will start coming within no time. So I'll start calling them now. Let's get your voice. I haven't had my drink yet. And this is a bird table I feed them on every day. It used to be his thorns, cat food and oats. This was what he'd eat every day, and the little tree was a stump of an apple tree that I planted 23 years ago. There's the little bird, and then it died. We had lots of fruit from it, so now it's an apple. Here he comes. There's a little robin that's coming along. Pigeon in the background. There they are. Now this one has got like a little couple of white stripes on its wings. I think it got, last year it nearly died and got frozen. I think a couple of white feathers shocked it. Sorry, I can't speak properly because I need a drink. It's quite early in the morning, about 7:30. But this is about 3rd generation blackbird in this garden. And that is despite having a tabby cat. We still have nesting birds, and right, so that's one little contender. I'll do it again in a minute, okay? Yeah, and if anyone's still here, I'll just quickly pan around the garden. It's very frozen today. I'll be doing it as it goes on in the year. We've had all the hedgerow cut back, so it's overgrown, and so all the catkins just there of the willows are nice. And that's it. I'll stop now because